Today's spelling test contains words with a long U vowel sound. Get out a sheet of paper and get ready. Feel free to pause the video if you need to hear a word. Again, submit by taking a picture. Bonus point if you can write one of your words in a sentence using the correct meaning. Number 1, cube. I've always wanted to solve a Rubik's Cube. Number 2, June. The month of June will be coming before we know it. Don't forget, if that needs a capital, make sure it has one because it is a month of the year. Number 3, mute. Please mute your mic when you're not speaking. Number 4, hue. The hue was a pretty shade of green. Hue. Number 5, cue. The cue stick needed some chalk before he could play pool. Cue. Number 6, tissue. Please grab a tissue if you feel like you're going to sneeze. Tissue. Number 7, new. I want a new swimming pool. New. Number 8, dew. There was dew on the grass when I woke up this morning. Dew. Number 9, few. There is just a few months before school ends. Few. Red words. Number 10, sure. I was sure I had the correct answer. Sure. Number 11, beauty. Beauty can be on the inside and on the outside. Beauty. Number 12, sugar. Please add a little bit of sugar into my coffee. Sugar. Take a picture of your words, upload them, and I will grade them as soon as you get those turned in. Don't forget this assignment is about 24 points, 2 points for each word. So make sure that you're turning in your spelling words each week. Have a wonderful day.